Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us discuss question number 1, 2 and 3 from exercise 2.2 from the chapter Linear Equation in One Variable. Question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. Then what is the number? So, let that number is x. Let the number is x. So, we subtract 1 by 2 from x. So, that is x minus 1 by 2. And then multiply the result by 1 by 2. So, this is multiply the result by 1 by 2. So, the result is x minus 1 by 2 whole multiplied with 1 by 2. So, according to question, the result is 1 by 8. So, according to question, x minus 1 by 2 multiply with 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. So, here we get a linear equation in one variable. Then we have to solve it. First you simplify. So, here 1 by 2 is multiplied in left hand side. So, if we transpose it to right hand side, then 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 2. So, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 2. So, this implies x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 multiplied with 2. So, this is equal to 1 by 4, or this implies x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So, this is equal to, so our LCM is 4, 1 plus 3. So, this is equal to 3 by 1 plus 2. So, this is equal to 3 by 4. So, our x is 3 by 4. So, let us check it. So, we got the required number. X is equal to 3 by 4. So, let us check. So, the question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2. So, 3 by 4, first we have to subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4. So, this is equal to, so LCM is 4, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Then it is multiplied with 1 by 2. So, the result is 1 by 8. So, here in this question also the result is given 1 by 8. So, our answer is correct. So, next question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? So, here let us take the breadth as x. So, let the breadth is x meter. So, length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So, this implies length is equal to 2x plus 2. Twice of breadth, that means 2x and 2 meter more. So length will be 2x plus 2 meter. Then what will be the perimeter of the pool? Perimeter of the pool is equal to, we know a rectangle has the perimeter 2 whole into length plus breadth. So 2 whole into 2x plus 2 plus x. So this is equal to 2 whole into 3x plus 2 meter. But in the question it is given that the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. So according to question, the perimeter is equal to 154 meter. So 2 whole into 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. So this is a linear equation. So we will solve this. So this implies 2 is multiplied here. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 154 divided by 2. That is equal to 77. So this implies 3x is equal to 77 minus 2 is equal to 75. Or this implies x is equal to 75 divided by 3 is equal to 25 meter. So here we have taken x as the breadth. So x is equal to 25 meter. So our breadth is equal to 25 meter. So what will be the length? Length is equal to 2x plus 2 meter. So that is equal to 2 multiplied with 25 plus 2. That is equal to 52 meter. So our breadth is equal to 25 meter and length is equal to 52 meter. So this is our required length and breadth. So let us check. So it is given that the perimeter is 154 meter. So perimeter is equal to twice of 25 plus 52 is equal to twice of 77. So this is equal to 154 meter. So our answer is correct. So question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? All of you know about isosceles triangle. So isosceles is a triangle in which any two sides are equal. So here let us take ABC is an isosceles triangle. So here BC is given as 4 by 3 centimeter and AB is equal to AC. So let us take AB and AC are 8 centimeter. Let the length of equal sides of the isosceles triangle is equal to x centimeter. So the perimeter of the triangle, sum of 3 sides. So perimeter of the triangle is equal to x plus 4 by 3 centimeter. So this implies x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 4 2 by 15 according to question, but it is given in the question. According to question. So this implies 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 62 by 15. So this implies 2x is equal to 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. So this implies 2x is equal to 15, 62 minus 20. So this is equal to 42 by 15. So this implies x is equal to 42 by 15 divided by 2. So this is equal to 21 by 15. So in the lowest form, x is equal to 7 by 5. So we got the equal side, the length of either of the remaining equal sides are 7 by 5 centimeter. So let us check for it. So this is our isosceles triangle. So this is 7 by 5, this is 7 by 5, and the third side or base is given as 4 by 3 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5 plus 4 by 3. So the LCM is 15, 21 plus 21, 5 3s are 15, so 7 3s are 21 plus 3 5s are 15, so 4 5s are 20. So 62 by 15 is equal to 4 2 by 15. So it is given as the perimeter, so our answer is correct. Thank you.